what I love about the Prescription for Life in the 5 sections, the first one is about the world today. It's more unhealthy than it's ever been. Second is there's a weight loss road. These drugs are out there. People are using them. They're taking the shot. They're thinking they can do it all by themselves. That's not so. The third is, are they right for you? You may not need them. If you don't feel you want them, we can still get you healthy because you can use the Prescription for Life. But if you do want to use them, great. We're going to look at it as being, we got a year to use these medications, do it the right way where we're protecting your muscle, doing body I know you do that in your clinic. Do body composition right from the beginning and know, are we losing muscle or are we losing fat? Because if we're losing muscle, we're actually doing ourselves harm. And over time, we know this, in terms of health span, your muscle and your grip strength are more important than anything, whether you're going to live a long, healthy life. So we know these things now. We've been doing it, I've been doing it almost a quarter of a century. And now simply the GLPs can be that new arrow that can help people that would continue to fail and struggle, beating themselves up rather than realize their biology is in conflict with the world they live in. We can now help that. It's pretty exciting.